Without a doubt, Ninjaman have some of the best interviews in dancehall. We have another one.
I need some of them Jamaican artists here who are gay to come out and say we are gay. And who are what do you call it, backyard to come out and say we are kittens.
Wait a minute. So you tell me say we have fish, sprats, sharks in a dancehall?
Stop going like you're not liar. You're not real. You're not going like you're not using a curse that cuss next people. You go from here, say, yeah, man.
But no, it's an image that them have to maintain.
Image. You hear what you say?
Yeah, but
image.
No, but you're saying that you want
me
the
no walk
gay
with
people
image,
to come out.
All of them are gay. If you come out, come make people know that they are gay and stop.
But then no one would accept them. No one would accept them. No one would accept them.
So all they accept the rest of people and we are foreign we come out and say them.
That's a foreign. Ninjaman.
Them accept people.
Ninjaman, you would accept it.
Listen.
You would collaborate with it. You would collaborate with it.
You would collaborate it, but say, oh. Facial expression change.
If he came out and said, I am a homosexual.
No, that's the point, man.
Who you talking about here?
A long time if you talk. Because now go on like say, if an artist come out now and say, him a gay, you not go accept him. You not lie. If Jamaica come with a man, can they New Kingston in a wig and then something they walk up and down. True. Then can accept the one the artist, then we are gay.
You know,
and Jamaica is becoming more gay friendly. Just so.
Them not come gay friendly. So some man of the top play hypocrite role.
A true man, Jamaica, gay friendly, because even man them, you hear girls them a come out and I say man them a touch their rear and I push all kind of stuff in their rear. Yeah, man they love penal sex now. But for them business that still. And I girl in business still, cause you have vagina. Why you let somebody go in your chocolate factory? Like that don't make no sense. But anyways, someone love poo. And some girl love poo poo.
That's not really straight. Yeah.
Me straight like 1. If I know 1, I 11. If I know 11, I 111. Me up like 1. Me no up like 7.
Yeah.
Cause 7 bend, away you bend I go. And I want little bend that he bend tall.
We up like 1. And then if I know 1, I 11. And if I know 11, 111. Talk truth.
So to them know. To them know them about guilty mouth and a guilty mind and a guilty conscience. Them talk some guilty things. You understand? But up like 7. 7 can up. 7 go up and bend, man. Up like 1. If I know 1, I 11. And if I know 11, 111.
oh God.
Yo, I swear to you. That's how straight we be. No 7. No 7. Yo, me even go a 7-Eleven store anymore. Me stop and listen to Dexter of 7-Eleven. Either 1, 11, 111 or 1,111. That's how we straight. Yeah, man. Another classic piece of interview from Ninjaman. You don't know. Ninjaman original for the answer, man. Gives my best interview. Hope you enjoyed the little short piece. Yeah. You see it? I'm out.